What's good, sneakerheads? Back here with another one. This one I've been waiting on for a minute. I got super lucky with it. This is definitely a Grail. It came all the way from Australia. So, I've been waiting on this one for a minute. I just got it in the mail. Which is kind of weird because it still says it's in New York. So, I don't know about that one. But, I'm going to open it with a box cutter because you got to do it quick. This is a Grail, and it's high heat. Don't want to accidentally puncture the box and have radioactivity leak out or anything like that. You know what happens with high heat if you've watched those videos. Check out that one, or maybe that one. Like, you'll see. We got full protection going on over here. We got every precaution needed to be able to open up high heat boxes. So, let's get into it. I was actually about to pick this one up for resale from the homie Castro Speed, but he got an 11.5. I needed a 12, and actually like 2 days after the fact, I decided against picking it up because I wanted the Sean Witherspoons, and yeah, I got an email one morning when I woke up for work that said, "Congratulations, you won the raffle." I was like, "What?" Like, everybody, it was like 3 days after all the raffles. So, let's just get into it. Y'all will be able to tell by the box exactly what it is. And I cannot wait. I've been waiting on this one for a minute. So, get that out of here. Y'all ready for this? It makes me want to be like dun 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 dun. Alright. Y'all can already tell. Jordan 3, which one? Bam. Jordan 3, Tinker Hatfield, the NRG. That's the total name. Jordan 3, Tinker NRG, or the Tinker Hatfield for short. So, I already have issues, put my hands on this because of how hot it is. So, got to take precautions. So, let's get ready. You know what we do to get ready, right? Alright, so, I guess one of my gloves didn't materialize. Yeah, okay, so, we got the HVAC suit up in this thing. I can't, the last stick that I used, everything that I used to open these things ends up getting melted, so I don't really have anything. I guess I can turn this gold brick into a coin or something, but I'll just use a pen to open it with. Whew, you roast a marshmallow over that. Ooh, that's some heat right there. Some heat. Alright, let's get this stuff off. That was pretty easy. Whew. Alright. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Ooh. 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 There you go. There you go. Try not to go blind. Alright. I can already tell you the leather upper on this is a lot better than the Cement 3, the Black Cement 3 that I reviewed. Go check that video out right here. Everything about this shoe is actually better quality. This shoe, the right shoe already has little pre-creases in it, and that just shows the quality of the leather right there. It's soft. It is really soft. The typical Jordan 3 is, it feels good, but not this good. This is something else. Even the elephant print is different. You can see The elephant print on it is just, that just looks good. Look at that leather. I don't know if you can see it. It's like super tumbled looking. All right, well, now on these, this just so happens to be the sketch that did it all from the architect himself, Tinker Hatfield. I mean, there were a few. This is one of them. It's not the only one. But he, drew this up. This is apparently what it was going to look like with the Nike check and all that. Let's get the hang tag out the way, which, by the way, has a little Jordan logo on it. It says Tinker Hatfield's signature right there. But, so apparently the Jordan 3 was supposed to have, a Nike check on it. But Tinker Hatfield was like, nah, we can't, I'm going to take it off. Mainly to piss off the executives up at Nike. He wanted a shoe that didn't have a Nike check on it. And not only to piss off the Nike executives, he wanted to prove that Michael Jordan was such an iconic figure that just the idea of the shoe being his would sell itself. It didn't need any branding on it at all. It didn't need any of that. Besides a little bit in the back, because they always got to have their little thing. But doing that and that, with the Nike on the inside as well, right there, probably would have just been a little bit too much. But still looks good. I mean, I love the way that they did it with the white, the gray, the black, the red on the tongue, right there. Red Jordan logo on the tongue. You can't beat that. I can't get over the leather quality of these. It's so soft. It's butter. 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 All the way. Super high quality leather on this. You can definitely tell that it's limited because whenever they do limited shoes, I mean, it just feels like it was made better. All of it feels better, from this around here to the elephant print to the leather, the embroidery, everything just screams high quality. You know what? Let's see an on feet. I gotta do an on feet of these real quick. Now, they feel just like, the typical Jordan 3. The inside feels a little softer, to be honest with you. And it feels a little bit more stable, but less like a tennis shoe, more like a basketball shoe. I don't know. There's just something about it. It just feels better. It just feels like it was made better. I don't know. It feels like a sample. If anybody's ever felt samples before compared to the actual shoe, that's kind of what it feels like. Like the quality of the leather and everything. The leather on the 3, the Black Cement 3, which I actually don't have in here right now, is the same all the way around. But like it, the same texture all the way around. But this just, it's like, you know, you can see the pre-crease. You can see, the tumbled on maybe. I don't know. You can see like how it's tumbled a little bit. But it's not the same all the way around. And it just, words can't explain. Plus it has the Nike Air on the back with the red flap. Can't go wrong. Cannot go wrong with this. Now this shoe was it released because of the 30th anniversary of the Jordan 3, and it also released with the Black Cement and the White Cement free throw line. Didn't get those. Those have crazy high numbers. These actually are running resale a little bit less than the free throw lines are, which is kind of weird. I really want to get my hands on this. I might pick up the free throw lines. Now, the cool thing about these are, besides the fact that right there on the tongue is Tinker Hatfield's signature, on the insole is a sketch of the Jordan 3. I don't know if you can see that. Might be better with the light up here. It's a full sketch, and it's got his autograph in there as well. I'll throw a picture up real quick so you can see it better. See what I'm talking about? Details. Straight details. White laces definitely do pretty good on it. I might throw some black ones up. I'm really surprised that it didn't come with any other laces. But doesn't really have to. The shoe tells its own story. Gotta love the hang tag too. They did a lot of details with this. And you saw the box with the Tinker Hatfield across the top. So, then it's got the typical Jordan 3 bottom with the Nike. No Jordan this time, just Nike. So, what do y'all think about this one? Were you able to cop it? Did you miss out? Take that L? I thought I did. I'm totally glad that I ended up copping. I'm definitely not regretting this at all. Definitely worth resale if you ask me. If you have the choice between them, I would either go with these or the free throws, but I don't know what the quality on those look like, so we'll see. I heard it was good though. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for some B-roll and, some real good photos like we always do. Make sure to check this link to learn about the giveaway I got coming up. I might even do one sooner. But the big one's at 1,000 subs, so make sure to check that out. Make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment. Follow me on my social media. Links are in the description. I keep bringing the fire. I told y'all don't want to miss it. Fire all day. And if you want the details and the proper history of the sneaker, make sure to subscribe. I know a lot about shoes. Keep y'all informed. No fuegos. All good info. So, hope y'all enjoyed it. What do y'all think about it? And let me know if you cop down in the comments. Until next time, I hope y'all have a good one. Peace.